पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी। है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो,
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
है वतन मेरे वतन,
है वतन मेरे वतन।
Morning everyone, we are celebrating the completion of 73 years of independence this year. It is the most auspicious day for us because India became independent after a lot of hardship and sacrifice of the brave Indian freedom fighters.
On 15th August 1947, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian flag above the Lahore gate of the Red Fort in Delhi.
This day is observed throughout India with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades and cultural events. It is a national holiday.
On this day, we forget our difference and unite as one true nation should.
We are born in an independent country and hence probably understand a very little about insult being governed by a foreign power.
The Indian nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism.
Celebrate this day to remember the lives that sacrificed to gain this freedom.
After struggle and hardship of our freedom fighter, and we now live in few countries.
India is our motherland and citizen of this country.
This is our responsibility to lead our country to become the superpower and make it the best.
Let us take a plan to do that and to dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation.
Happy Independence Day and heartily good morning to my dear patriots. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. This quote by Netaji means that we are the human incarnation of the idea that our ancestors have thought of. We must strive harder every day of our life for a better India that is prosperous and equal to all citizens. Jai Hind.